Okay, we continue with alkaline. Okay, alkaline is a hydroxide or metal oxide that dissolve in water. Okay, this one examples of alkaline in our daily life: detergents, sabun basuh, okay, shampoos, our shower gels, kita punya mandian, soap, sabun, toothpaste kita kena alkaline compulsory. Toothpaste alkaline because soon I will explain why toothpaste must be alkaline. Baking soda is alkaline. Okay, other than that, most of the things in our daily life use alkaline. Okay, for the properties of the alkaline, most of the alkaline is bitter in taste. Most of them are corrosive, especially the concentrated one. And for alkaline, the pH value greater than 7 means that start from pH 7 plus plus. Okay, weak alkaline. Okay, pH 8, pH 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13. And most of the alkaline feels slippery like soap when touched, rasa licin bila sentuh. And change litmus paper from red to blue. And for alkaline, it doesn't react with metals, so no productions of hydrogen gas. Okay, this one. The characteristics of different substances can be determined by using suitable pH indicators. This one, we can use labs apparatus, lab materials to identify either that thing is acid or alkaline. Okay, this one in our labs, we have litmus paper, universal indicator, methyl orange, and phenolphthalein. These things have different colors, and these indicators will change colors depends on acid and alkaline. And these colors are varies between these four indicators. Okay, this one, sorry to say, you need to memorize the color changes for different indicators and for acid, neutral, and alkaline. So for phenolphthalein, we have it in our lab. Mostly we use phenolphthalein's universal indicator for titration process. Okay, for phenolphthalein in our lab, it is colorless and green in color. Okay, in our lab, normally dalam lab kita warna ini yang kita simpan. Okay, for instance, phenolphthalein, it is colorless. This one, phenolphthalein. And in acid, it's remain colorless. But if we add alkaline into phenolphthalein, it will turn into pink color. Okay, for universal indicator, this one we have universal indicator pH color chart. We have it. The shape just like pH paper, cuma dia lagi banyak colors. Okay, so this one lagi senang untuk kita detect the value of pH. Okay, either it is weak acid, weak alkaline, strong acid, or strong alkaline based on the pH value. For litmus paper, there is no value. We cannot identify either this acid is pH 1 or pH 3. Either that alkaline is pH 8 or pH 9. Okay, but for for universal indicator, we can identify either that acid is pH 1 until pH 6 or alkaline from pH 8 until pH 13. Okay, this one phenolphthalein, colorless acid. In neutral state, colorless, whereas for alkaline, pink. Universal indicator for acid, this one getting to red color, neutral green, alkaline from green to blue and then to purple color. So that's why we said indicator. For universal indicator, acid is red color, neutral green color, alkaline blue color. For methyl orange, this one for methyl orange. Okay, this one methyl orange. In neutral state, it is yellow in color, and same goes to alkaline state. But we can identify or we can classify the things into acid because methyl orange will change color into red color. Okay, for blue litmus paper and red litmus paper, we just recall back. For acid, it's turned into red color, alkaline into blue color. For neutrals, no changes for both blue litmus paper and red litmus paper. Okay, this one alkaline, recall back. For acid, colorless, alkaline, pink color. Okay, this one. For pH scale, that's mean value for pH. Okay, value for pH start from pH 1 until pH 14. pH 1 strong acid, pH 14 strong alkaline. So we start from here. Okay, this one, to find out pH value, you must use an indicator like universal indicator. Okay, this one, universal indicator, to get the value of pH. So most indicators change color depends on pH. Different pH, different color. Okay, so this one an examples of universal indicators, and the color changes depends on the pH number and acidity and alkalinity of the substances. Okay, we start with the pH 7. pH 7 neutral, green in color. Okay, and then slightly acid or weak acid, lime green, and then it's turned to yellow. Okay, more acid, and then beige, and then orange and pinks, and the red color. This one is getting very acidic. Okay, this one increase. Okay, this one increase their acidity. Okay, from here, still from neutral one, pH 7. Okay, from pH 7, okay, dark green, slightly alkaline or weak alkaline. And then from pH 8 until pH 4, this one alkaline. From pH 8 to pH 14, sorry, not 4, pH 14. Okay, this one increase in alkalinity. Okay, once again, from pH 8 until pH 14, this one alkaline. And this one from pH 8 until pH 14 or towards pH 14, it's getting stronger in alkalinity. Okay, in the other word, pH 7 neutral. Okay, pH 6 asid lemah. Okay, semakin turun pH 6 turun 5, turun 4, turun 3, turun 2, turun 1, dia semakin berasid. Lagi kuat asid dia. pH 1 paling kuat. Tetapi sebaliknya untuk alkaline, semakin tinggi nombor pH dia, semakin alkaline. Okay. Do you still remember the colors of pH indicator? Okay. This one universal indicator we carry out in lab. Methyl blue. Oh, sorry. Methyl blue for what? Methyl orange. Sorry, not methyl blue, methyl orange. For methyl orange, pH 2 acid is turned to red color, but for neutral, pH 7 is yellow in color. Okay, what about alkaline? Methyl orange remain yellow in color. Okay, strength of acid and alkaline. The higher the pH value, the higher the strength of alkaline. Whereas the lower the pH value, the higher the strength of acid. And this is the uses of acid in our daily life. For instance, this one, okay, ascorbic acid. This one to make vitamin C pills. Ascorbic acid mostly comes from fruits such as lime, lemon. Okay, benzoic acid, the famous one in food preservations. And this one, sulfuric acid for making fertilizers. Okay, this one for your information only. Okay, uses of alkaline, this one mostly for detergents. Okay, sodium hydroxide making soap. This one ammonia, also for fertilizers. This one magnesium hydroxide. Magnesium hydroxide to make antacid medicines. This one antacid medicines ubat gastrik. Gastrik ada banyak asid perut. Jadi untuk kita neutralize that gastric acid, we need something that is more alkaline, that is antacid. magnesium hydroxide. Okay, this is the common use of acid and alkalines in our daily life. Okay, what is neutralization? We proceed after this.